you've got a nice easy lesson for you today. We're going to be learning Watermelon Sugar High by Harry Styles. Super easy songs, just literally got 4 chords that repeat the whole way through. So let's learn them chords. So the first chord we need to learn is D minor 7. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to put one finger, so your index finger is going to go across the bottom 2 strings at fret number 1, and we're going to hold both of these notes down. So if you strum both them bottom 2 strings, you should sound exactly like mine. Then we're going to add another finger to the string above, fret number 2. So if we strum the bottom 4 strings, that's our D minor 7. Next chord we need is A minor 7. That's second string up from the bottom, fret number 1. Third one down from the top, fret number 2. And we strum the bottom 5 string, so we ignore the thickest string for this one. That's our A minor 7 chord. Next chord is C. Now we're just going to leave these 2 fingers on, and then we're just going to add this one to the string above. So that's the A string, second one down from the top, fret 3, and we strum again all the strings except the thickest one. That's a C chord, a big C. And then our last chord is a G. That's second string down from the top, number 2, thickest string number 3, bottom string number 3, and we strum all the strings for that. So there's our 4 chords. So we had D minor 7, A minor 7, C, and a G. So once you've got them chords, that is pretty much it. It just repeats that over and over again. 4 beats on each chord. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could just play that along with the song and it would sound absolutely fine. But I'm going to show you a basic strumming pattern. So that goes like this. So that's down, 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 up, down, down. And then the same for every chord. Down, 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 up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. Let's do that again. Down, 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 up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. And down. So once you've got that, all we need to do is really just speed it up. So cool, so that's us done. That is literally it. It just repeats that the whole way through the song. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. If you have, please do give us a like and a subscribe. Really helps the channel. Going forward, going to be doing much more teaching content. If there's any songs you want to learn in particular, comments, tell me what you want me to teach and I will do my best. Yeah, again, hope that's helped and hopefully see you again in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.